Welcome to my channel. Brother printer making strange noises? Check these things. Step 1. Turn the printer off. Start by switching off the brother printer and unplugging the power cable. Wait about 30 seconds before checking anything inside. Step 2. Check for paper jams. Open the paper tray and rear cover. Look for small pieces of stuck or torn paper that could be causing clicking or grinding sounds. Step 3. Check the paper tray. Make sure the paper is loaded properly and the guides are not pressed too tightly against the stack. Misaligned paper can sometimes make unusual noises. Step 4. Remove loose objects. Check around the paper path for staples, clips, labels, or other small objects. Even a tiny object can interfere with the printer mechanism. Step 5. Check the toner or ink area. Open the front cover and make sure the toner cartridge, drum, or ink system is seated correctly. A loose cartridge can cause rattling or clicking sounds. Step 6. Look at the rollers. Inspect the paper feed rollers for dust, paper scraps, or anything stuck around them. Clean them gently with a soft, lint-free cloth if needed. Step 7. Check the printer cover. Make sure every cover and tray is completely closed. A loose cover can vibrate while the printer is running and create a strange noise. Step 8. Test without paper. After checking everything, turn the printer back on and listen carefully. If the noise stops when there is no paper loaded, the problem may be related to the paper feed system. Step 9. Print a test page. Print a test page and listen for when the noise starts. A sound during paper pickup may point to the rollers, while a sound during printing may come from the drum or internal mechanism. Step 10. Stop if you hear grinding. If you hear loud grinding, repeated clicking, or a motor struggling, stop using the printer. Continuing to print could cause more damage, so professional service may be needed. Thanks for watching.